Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get a Valentine's Day Instagram theme on your Instagram direct messages. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to go to the Instagram direct messages. So I'm going to click on this icon on the top right, and then for example, I'm going to apply a Valentine's day theme to my group chat. I'm just going to open up one of my group chat on Instagram, and we can go to the group chat's name, okay, and go to the theme. And here guys, we'll be able to choose the Valentine's Day theme, or you can choose the sweetheart or flirt, or actually you can create a theme with AI, and you can ask the AI to create the Valentine's Day theme for you. But I'm just going to choose Valentine's Day. Okay, and this is the preview of this theme, and then I'm going to click on select. Okay, and I'm going to go back, and as you can see guys, that the theme has been applied to this group chat. Same with personal chat. If you want to get Valentine's Day theme for your personal chat, you just need to select the personal chat you have on your Instagram direct messages, and I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the account's name and select the theme, and for my personal chat I'm going to choose thinking of you theme. Okay guys, and this is the preview of the theme, and I'm going to click on select. Alright, and then I'm going to go back and see the result. Okay, this is how thinking of you theme looks like. Okay, that's so cool, right? Okay, basically you just need to go to the theme menu, and you will get the Valentine's Day theme right there. Okay, I'm just going to go back, and okay guys, that's all the way to get Valentine's Day theme on our Instagram direct messages. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys. Have this tutorial helpful.